All right, if you've gone hiking, look at this. We've got burrs all over child's clothes. How do you get these off in a fast way? So we went on a family hike the other day, and look at this. Let's get a little closer, because you wouldn't really think anything of it, but these little burrs are everywhere, and they stick to your clothes. So here's my 5-year-old. He's got these burrs all over his shoes and his fleece little sweater here. Now you can pick them off by hand, but that kind of takes a long time. Kind of annoying. So here it is. See my hand? You basically rub them out like this. And that is going to take care of most of them very quickly, very fast. Look at that technique. You can pick out a couple of them with your fingers if you need to, because there will be a few hanging on at the end, right? The deeper ones that are kind of more deeply burrowed into the material. But you saw what I did. Take my long sleeve shirt, cover my hand with it, and let's try it again. Show you how it works. Real fast like that. Not super pleasant for a 5-year-old, but it gets rid of the burrs very quickly. And then again, pick out the remaining ones, and you should be, for the most part, pretty much good to go. A little life hack for you.